Haka artare unok pra arja arpusan kalay Synshar Cultural Society sasisian pat kalapau biang kum kata ka Nongphah yaki Khynnah syaki Skul ki badon haka jela Karnataka hadian ke jingwan yalam IT daki bamikmat na District Child Protection Office ke Balapur District ke jela Karnataka ya arpusawngot ki Khynnah ki bahapadang karta pra bat khatlais nam naki district baper ke jela Meghalaya ki balapalaj na saumya ki sanupali students home. Kejing pentep syapang kita ki Khynnah kalawan haka artarik unailar arja arpusan lingba ke chairperson jongka Child Welfare Committee Balapur District syaka director jongka tanat social welfare bat board nakanye ke chairperson jongka Child Welfare Committee nak jela kala le dak video conference bat kita ki Khynnah ban sngothop ha ke ai ke baki lap ki syam. Layo jing tep baya kini ki Khynnah lapha lingba ka Synshar Cultural Society hau banai jellio araja arpusan hakaba ki kmi ki pa jong kini ki Khynnah ki siu tangai ka by light by one but kim don kam ban siu by Skul. Kat kum ka B Notach District Child Protection Officer na Balapur ka balam khmat haka jingwan IT Biang yakini ki Khynnah ha Shillong kalaong bakum ki bor badai pet kila pediang ya ka jing ujor na ki breu kutai ka jella ki bala pentep bagi Khynnah kim smuthu ya ka rukom hikai namar la hikai haka ktien Canada. Nalor ka jing bambiang ka bam ka khoj ka suba bat kiwe pat ki nongrem ki balong persya ya ki Khynnah. Kani ka Synshar Cultural Society kadai ka bala pauru haka kaipot jong ka jingjia yap arngot ki Khynnah shenrang kata ukre lang khong tani khatlais nam karta ubadai na shnong lendam pen orsla civil subdivision men haka khatn riu tarik uleber arja arpusan bat uname bantei marwen khat ars nam karta ubadai na sok paru hajan lause noston CNRD block haka miet jong ka khanyo tarik uleber arja arpusan haka wai ka jaka sumar Hamandia Institute of Medical Science Hamandia District ka jela Karnataka. Kini kidei naki arpusawngot ki balang ngat jing sitom hadien bagila bam ya ki jing bam basa balawan ai da ka wai kan hon ka bapenlong jing khawai namar ka le nyam huli haka khat saw tari uleber arja arpusan haka residential school ka balatep kum ka Google Educational Institution hati Khagepurad Mandia District jong kate ka jella. Yaki arpu arngot hadin bagila koj lawan lamno sa Meghalaya lingba ka District Child Protection Unit na Mandia District syaka Directorate of Social Welfare ka Sarkar jella haka arpu lai tarik uyayong arhajar arpusan. Kini ki Khynnah ki dei ki bawan na ki long yeng ki baduna ka yok ka kon bat ki baya bon sipara bat ki poi ban le Skul sharu ka te ka jaka lingba ka jingarap jong ka Synshar Cultural Society ringkat ka jingatrai lang bat ka Rastriya Swayam Sevak Sangha. Ka Agatha sangma ka chairperson jong State Commission for Protection of Child Rights kalaong baga jingle ka society ban phak na syaki Skul kadai ka Beaiñ bat ki bor pinyat district kala khang ya kani karukom trikam.
FIR as in we have complained to the DC, regarding the organization that has been sending these children, and I think the DC has taken note of it, and he has written back to our commission stating that this organization, Synshar, is an organization that is not operating legally, and it will have to shut down its operation immediately. So that action has been taken by the DC after we informed them that we believe that this organization is not legally established. Well, there could be, but we don't have a list as such. But most of the times that we have received it is through the Synshar Cultural Society. So this is one organization that is definitely operating illegally and has been sending children in these kind of conditions. We have, I'll give it to you. I mean, we have some letters and some, communications that we've made, and most of the times they have refused to give us any answer because they say that they are not an organization. So they are only helping children, but it is not a, organization. There are people who we have met, and like I said, I'm not at a place where I can disclose names right now, but whatever action has to be taken will be taken from the SP's office.
Have you blacklisted the organization?
Yes, the DC has given an order to, stop the organization from functioning. So now they cannot function as an organization anymore. There's an official letter that has been issued to that organization.
Ma'am, now what happens to these children about their education? How is the
education, as Madam Lingwa was also mentioning, we have decided that they will get incorporated into the coming new, the academic session, and the government and the social welfare department will be looking into it to ensure that they don't get disrupted. This is definitely a concern where yes, maybe children, feel the need to go to another state in order to find education. But as we can see that most of these organizations taking these children are not even taking them to any better institute as such. They are being, it's like a hoax. It's actually being manipulated, and you're not really providing them with any better education than what is already in existence. And government of Meghalaya has been doing a lot of work to ensure that elementary schools, government schools get upgraded.
Pay any fees for going to those?
Only for travel. They took money for the flight ticket or the travel charges. The rest of it was supposed to be free.
The education.
The education boarding was supposed to be free.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha. Kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.